Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 8.3 question number 6. Question number 6 is here you see Joey sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. She losses 20% in the bargain. What is the price at which she bought it? Right? It is given that selling price is equal to rupees 13,500. 13,500. Loss is equal to 20%. 20%. Loss is equal to 20%. Loss is 20%. 20%. We can solve this in this way. Let CP cost price is equal to rupees 100. Let cost price is equal to rupees 100. Therefore, selling price is equal to, here you see 20% loss. That means selling price is rupees 80 rupees. Rupees 80. Rupees 80. Selling price is rupees 80. Right? Now, when selling price is rupees 80, cost price is rupees 100. When selling price is rupees 1, cost price is rupees 100 by 80. When selling price is rupees 13,500, cost price is rupees 100 by 80 into 13,500 into 13,500. Now this zero will cut, right? This zero will be cut, and we find that we cut it by, this is 1350 divided by 8. We are getting 24J8. 24J8 to 250 the 100, right? This is 2 to the 4. This is 225 the 50, 25. And if we divide this one by 2, 2 1 the 2, it is 1, and it is 2 6 the 12, 2 6 the 12, 13, 1, 15, 2 7 the 14, 1, 2 5 the 10. 675 into 25. If you multiply this one, what you will get, you see 675 into 25 into 25. That comes to 5 5 25, 2 here 5, 5 35 plus 2 37, 37, 5 30 plus 3 is 33 into 5 to the 10, carry 1, it is 0. 7 to the 14 plus 1 15, carry 1, here it is 5. 6 to the 12 plus 1 13, that is equal to 5. 7, 5 3 8, 3 plus the 6 1, 16,875. That is equal to rupees 16,875, right? Therefore, what is the price at which she bought? Therefore, you can see the cost price of washing machine is 16,875. Hence, 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 the cost price, hence the cost price, hence the cost price, hence the cost price of the washing machine, cost price of the washing machine, of the washing, cost price of the washing machine is rupees 16,875, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.